today's video, we are going to learn a great formula of Vedic mathematics. With the help of this formula, we can easily find the square of any number in a very short time. Here is our formula. N square equal to n minus a into n plus a square. With the help of this formula, we can easily find the square of any number in a very short time. Here, n is the number whose square we have to find. Here, we will learn the meaning of from an example. Suppose, we have to find the square of 26. Here, n is equal to 26. And a is a number which we have to add to 26 to get a number whose last digit is 0. Here, when we add 4 to 26, we get 30. Here, a is equal to 4. Suppose, we have number 49. Here, n is equal to 49. And, when we add 1 to 49, we get 50. So, in this case, a is equal to 1. Now, let's find the square of any number with the help of this formula. Suppose, we have number 89. We have to find the square of it. Here, n is equal to 89. Whose last digit is 0. So, in this case, a is equal to 1. Now, we have got the value of n and a. So, let's put it in our formula. So, when we put it, we get 89 minus 1 into 89 plus 1 square. Now, when we subtract 89 from 1, we get 88. And, when we add 89 to 1, we get 90. And, we know that the square of 1 is 1. Now, we have to multiply 88 by 90. So, we will multiply 88 by 9. And, we will put a 0 at the end of our answer. And, we will put a 0 at the end of it. Now, plus 1. When we add plus 1, we get 7921. And, this was our answer. Suppose, we are given the number 47. And, we are asked to find its square. So, in this case, we have n equal to 47. And, when we add 3 to 47, we get 50. The last digit of this number is 0. Right? So, in this case, a is equal to 3. Now, we have got the value of n and a. Now, we will put it in the formula and find its square. Now, when we add minus 3 to 47, we get 44. When we add 3 to 47, we get 50 plus 3 square 9. Now, we will multiply 44 by 5. And, we will put a 0 at the end of the answer. So, we will easily multiply 44 by 5. So, we will get 220. Now, we will put a 0 at the end of the number 220. And, we will add 9 to it. So, we will get 2209. And, this was our answer. Now, some questions for you. Here they are. If you can easily solve these questions with the help of this formula, then do write their answers in the comment section. So, today's video ends here. Thank you all for watching this video.